In previous lectures, we learned some basics about sales and purchase process in dynamic systems. Now I will tell you about manufacturing. Manufacturing module is one of the biggest and most complex modules in the system. We will go through one of the basic scenarios available in this module. If you want to know some more details, I encourage you to go with our manufacturing course. For now, we will use as easy as it can be, so I will go through the item. We have some items defined because this is test company. We have some production items. We will go through production bill of materials. Now later we will make production order, and we will produce and consume some raw materials. So let's start from the items. We use demonstration company, so we have an example of bicycle to be produced. So let's open this card. I will show you some settings that are needed for manufacturing. First of all, most of the produced items are using costing method of standard. In replenishment, you need to set replenishment system for production order, and we have to set manufacturing policy. In this case, we have make to stock. In routing number and production bill of materials, we need to put some cards. Let's open production BOMs for the bicycle. In here you will find all the elements and components that are needed to build one piece of this item. So we need one front wheel, one back wheel, and so on to produce one bicycle. We can also check our routing. In routing, we will have all the operations needed to manufacture this bicycle. In this case, we have some assembly and some control. We can define work centers, some departments, and machine centers connected with people or single machine. We can also tell about the setup, run, wait, and move time to be calculated. And of course, I can put some direct costs on each machine or work center to be calculated in the production.